It's improper and illegal for someone to contact you directly about a claim in that fashion. It's called direct solicitation, and it's not appropriate. And so your red flag should go up immediately.
Well, the scary thing about it, from my perspective, is there only can be two answers to this question. One, the people that are doing this have enough money and time on their hands to just cold call people. Pick up the phone book and start at AA Aardvark and call all the way to Zulo and ask people, did you have a failed implant or did you take this drug and get injured? Or these are targeted phone calls and emails and text messages that people are receiving because the person behind it or the people behind it have actually obtained access to protected health information. So that's not a random phone call. They're calling you because they know you took a particular drug because they have access to something they shouldn't have. And this is becoming more and more frequent. Like Brenda said, I've personally received a phone call asking me if I had a failed hip implant. Now, I don't, so that makes me think maybe it was more random. But my secretary actually got a phone call about a particular product that she does have. And so it could be a little bit of both. Like Brenda said, it's against the law, it's unethical, it's not right, and we really want to see this stop.
There's actually some ongoing investigations in connection with some litigation that we're involved in right now with allegations of the sale of protected health information that's being processed in India. There are also a lot of companies that are involved in soliciting clients that are not lawyers. They're basically doing the solicitation and then trying to sell the information about prospective clients, what they call leads, to lawyers that are out there. And so it's something that's very, very troubling. The other issue that we've run into recently, this one is in the context of the Xarelto litigation, is patients are actually receiving calls from some kind of a call center asking that they go out and get gift cards and basically gift certificates and call a phone number back. And the people were, saying that they were from the FDA and that they were calling it in order to process their claim for compensation through the FDA, which is not even appropriate. But nevertheless, this is something where the judge asked us to specifically notify plaintiffs because this was happening all over the country. And we think that the people making the phone calls might have actually been looking at public records for court case filings and then finding those people over the internet and calling them and trying to get money from them.
Yeah, it's not a good scene out there right now in terms of very, very aggressive, unethical and illegal direct solicitation of people with these types of problems.